Yeah, feel good. I was happy because I was waiting on the result to come out and it take a while, but I feel so good. Also, we were still training, still physically working out, staying active because my coach have a gym, and once you're going to approach the trials or the Olympic, they say you can go ahead and stay in the gym. So we was always in the gym, no matter what. Yeah. So if we're not in the gym, we're at his house, or we're outside, we're inside, we're always working out. We never stop. We never stop. Cold and sun, we're always working out. That made me feel so great, trust me. Because every time I'm like, I want to go to the Olympic, but I always wondering what I'm going to go there and do. So I was like, I don't know, but I was thinking about shot put, and then I'm like, no. I want a one-man game where it's just me alone. So I just tried boxing, and boxing worked out. So I always have my support still out there. I always have my support. People always come and see me box, but you have some guys, they just come just to see somebody get blood up or somebody get knocked out. They're not really like have a diehard heart to boxing. That's the problem. Right now, I think boxing gonna push further with me right now because I'm going out to do my best. So I want boxing to grow more in Jamaica, so people can see that yes, they can send their kids out to go do it. Because in Jamaica it's mostly football or track and field. That's what everybody do in Jamaica. Yes, it will. Because I'm planning to help people. So it will. Win or lose, I'm planning to help people in Jamaica with boxing. Because that is my game plan with my coach. To go there and get a medal, and then we try to help people in Jamaica to build boxing more. Oh, I just want to go there, enjoy Japan, win a medal, come back home, celebrate with everybody, and just know that, yes, I just do it. Yes, I know I can medal in the Olympic. Keep forming on that, so I'm going hard, so I'm not gonna go relax now. Okay, the people them like the big guys. They like the big super heavy guys who can knock people out. That's the problem. Oh, alright, I'm working on my right hand now, but it's getting better now. That was my main problem, but it's getting better. So with our help, we're going to have that. We're going to have other boxers going to the Olympics. Yeah, I just want to tell all my fans out there, don't worry. The Big 12 is going to bring back something for them.